it's Kristina from Kristina's Crafts. Today I'm going to be doing what I consider a girl's room DIY. And I'm going to be using this frame, this photo frame that I got from Dollar Tree, and some of these rub-on transfer stickers. So first thing I want to do, or you want to do, or whoever wants to do if you're going to do this craft, is you're going to clean this glass. So on here, the sticky stuff was pretty bad and it's not coming off, so I'm just kind of rubbing and rubbing. Looks like it might actually be scratched. I can't really tell, but I'm trying to get these as clean as possible. So I got them as clean as I'm possibly going to get them. Now I'm going to take my transfer out of the package here, and I'm thinking, I was trying to figure which would be, where it would be best to put this on. I'm not 100% sure if I should go with the top or the bottom, or just kind of in the middle, but yeah, I'm thinking probably the top would look best. So that is what I am going to shoot for. So I am going to grab a scissors here, and then I am going to cut, actually grab the good scissors. I'm just going to use the measurement of the glass and cut my rub-on transfer down. And then this is going to go on the glass. Now I haven't done this before, so I'm not 100% sure how this is going to turn out, but I'm just going to give it a whirl and see what happens. I'm thinking I probably should put a back on there, but I kind of like the clear. So let me put my spectacles on so I can see what I'm doing. And then, oh, I went prematurely. Okay, note to self, be careful when putting this on. All right, now I'm gonna have to kind of try to line it up. Nope, it's on. Okay, so note to you, be careful when putting it on because it actually stuck right away when I stuck it on. So my dress is going to be a little screwed up in the corner here, but I don't know if anybody will really notice that. Just taking my little Cricut squeegee here and rubbing my transfer on. Let me see if I can turn this around. I don't, my hands are always in the way when I'm doing my crafts. Yeah, I wish I could have gotten on there a little bit straighter, but... Alright, so I guess what I'm going to do is I am just going to go ahead and rub till I get this on here, but I'm thinking it's looking pretty cute, even with my dress that I messed up. So I'm going to go ahead and rub all of this off on the glass here. Okay, so I just about have it on there. It's actually sticking to the glass really, really good. So I am doing this, envisioning this in a little girl's room, but I mean really this could go anywhere. And it would be even better if you get it on straight. Okay, that came off really nice. I really like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the other piece of glass and I'm gonna sandwich that in there. And then I am going to put it into my frame. Let's see how that looks. It looks really cute. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to make, I think the only thing I'm going to do is make a little bead hanger for it. So I have these beads from this wreath that I got from Dollar Tree, and I am going to go ahead and find some jute and put a hanger on here. All right, so I got my, it's not jute, baker's twine. I figured I'd go with black since this is all black, and I just put a little tape on there so I could string my beads up. So just gonna pull those off of there and put some beads on here, and then we're gonna attach it. And I don't know, I'm thinking of something else I might be able to do. I'm not 100% sure yet. Maybe I'll look through my craft stuff and see what else I could put on here to kind of dress it up a little bit. Okay, so I thought about it and I did not find anything that I liked to dress this frame up. So I think I'm just gonna leave this one pretty simple. So I think how I'm gonna attach this is I am going to put it right underneath these clips here. So I'm just gonna kind of hold this, put the clips down, and then I'm gonna pull my beads tight and then slide this one under here. And I'm just gonna kind of pull those tight. So what I'm gonna do, and hopefully this will make it stay, is I am gonna grab some duct tape. So I just cut a little piece off. All I have is white, so I do not have any black. And then I am going to stick some hot glue on here and then pull that tight, and then I'm gonna stick this duct tape on here. I'm probably gonna have to cut that corner off there so it doesn't show through, but I just want to get this attached for right now. So I'm gonna cut another little piece and then a little hot glue. These plastic frames are kind of hard to get stuff to stick to them. That's why when I was thinking about putting something else on the outside of it, I'm like, that'll probably pop off, that'll probably pop off. So yeah, so I didn't do that. All right, and then I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut that off as close to the edge as I can. And then I'm probably gonna see if I can just kind of tuck those underneath there. And then I'm gonna see if I can cut these off here, because I don't want it showing through on the other side. That looks okay. Now that I think about it, I probably should have left these a little bit longer, and then I could have like did a little knot. That probably would have looked really cute. Let's see if I can bend these over out of the way. Cut this off. I know, there goes my arm in the way of what I'm doing again. Might have to move my camera to the other side. All right. Make sure that doesn't show through. Looks pretty good. And then we got just a little bit of this guy sticking out over here. Plaster him down. All right. And that is it. It is finished. I'm leaving it right like this. I think it turned out really cute. I really love these rub-on transfer stickers. I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'd really love it if you subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I upload, and leave me some comments. I want to know how I'm doing. Not a lot of people leave comments, and I really want to know how I'm doing. So that's all I have to say. Have a great night and take care. Bye.